Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA One. My name is Emmanuel. Welcome to our channel here on YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how to test and measure electric resistance like this. And this is other one. Now we are going to test and measure how many ohms has these two electric resistance using our digital multimeter model MUT33. This is very easy. First, connect this test tip here and connect this here. Now move this selector and put here in this way. Ready. In this mode, from this point to this point is for measure how many ohms has electric resistance depending of the size of the number. For example, this is 200 ohms. This is 2 kilo ohms. This is 20 kilo ohms, 200 kilo ohms, 2 millions ohms, or 2 mega ohms is the same. Depending of the size of the number that we detect when connect this digital multimeter to the electric resistance, we are going to change between these different levels inside this mode. For example, let's start here in 200 ohms. In this case, I'm going to touch this electric resistance here and touch here and watch on the multimeter screen. In this case, this digital multimeter is not detecting how many ohms has this electric resistance inside. I need to change the size of the number that measure this digital multimeter. In this case, this is a higher number, 2 kilo ohms or 2000 ohms. Let's try again and let's connect the digital multimeter to the electric resistance. Yeah, now yes. Watch on the multimeter screen. In this case, this electric resistance has 1157 ohms, more or less. It means this electric resistance is good, and we are watching now how many ohms has this electric resistance. If, for example, I change the connection, look my two hands, disconnect and change, in this way, change the connection and watch on the multimeter screen. Is the same number. It means no matter how you connect the digital multimeter to the electric resistance, because the digital multimeter will measure only the number of ohms that has this electric resistance inside. 1157 ohms in this case. This electric resistance is good. Now we are going to use other electric resistance. This is a bigger one. If you watch here, the different side is because this has a higher power than this. Subscribe now to our channel Sosa NASA One in English here on YouTube for more content like this. Thank you. Let's connect this electric resistance and watch. Let me see. Okay. And watch on the multimeter screen. In this case, this electric resistance has 0.148 kilo ohms. It means I need to change the selector. In this case, this selector I need to move in a lower number. In this case, I move from 2000 ohms to 200 ohms. And connect again. And now, yes, now our electric resistance has 147.3 ohms. In this case, it means this electric resistance is good. This is the number of ohms that has this electric resistance inside. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel Sosana Sawan in English here on YouTube, and share this video, give me a like, and thank you for watching. Turn off the digital multimeter. See you next time.